So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accounts. Now you want to find access work or school. You want to scroll down until we find access work or school. Click on this. If you have a work or school account connected, you want to remove it from your device. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in credential manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to select Windows credentials. If you have anything here that's related to Microsoft Office, then you want to remove it. So if you do see anything that says Microsoft Office on it, click on the drop down and then you want to remove it. And then click on yes. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Microsoft Office. You want to click on the three dots and then click on modify. Then you want to click on yes. You want to go with a quick repair first and then click on repair, see if that works. If that's still not working, then you want to go over online repair and then click on repair. Hopefully this will fix your problem.